Hey guys, it's Kaylee here, and welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So today I'm going to be talking about the Holo Taco Rainbow Collection. So first let's talk about packaging. If you happen to get your hands on the limited edition collector's box, you'll know that it's beautifully designed and very sturdy. It's not a flimsy box, it's very strong and solid, and it has this gorgeous rainbow gradient going across the whole box. Underneath the lid, it says "Don't lick the rainbow." Right under that, you'll find your nail polish. They're all arranged in rainbow order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and magenta. And all of these nail polishes come in their own individual box. Now these boxes also have a gorgeous design. It's the same as most of their other boxes, and the ingredients to all of the collection nail polishes are found on the back of each box. So first let's talk about red licorice. This is a gorgeous red linear holographic polish. So this nail polish is extremely opaque, which means it's very possible for it to stain your nails. I was not wearing a protective base coat. I was using Peely Base from Holo Taco, and so my nails ended up getting stained from this nail polish, but it wasn't too bad. So I'm not normally a big fan of red nail polishes, but this actually makes me want to wear red nail polish. Most of the time I think red nail polish is kind of basic and boring, but this one's really pretty, and it applies to the nail super well. Now it does dry with a shiny finish, so adding a top coat doesn't make a big difference to the appearance of the nail polish, but I like to add a top coat just so the nail polish lasts longer and just to see what it would look like. Now let's talk about orange drink. This is described as a vibrant tangerine orange polish on their website. I think it is a very vibrant color. It's not necessarily a neon orange, but it's a nice in-between without being too dull and too bright. I think the linear hollow flakes really shine through in this nail polish. So next up is Lemon Sucker. This polish is described as a deepened lemon yellow on their website, and I have heard that this polish isn't quite as opaque as the others, but I think it is just opaque as every other nail polish in this collection. Even though it is a lighter color and is more likely to take more coats to be opaque, I think it's still an incredibly opaque nail polish. It's a good yellow that's not too green, but also not too orange. It's a true yellow nail polish. Now next up is green taffy. This is described as a vibrant true green polish on their website. This is not a light green, but it's also not a dark green. It's a good medium green. This is a very gorgeous green polish. I think it's very hard to find green polishes that are a true green. Most of the time they're a bluish green or some weird green color. But this is a nice true green, which is the perfect green to add to your nail polish collection. And next up is Blue Freezy. This is described as a vivid electric blue on their website. This is a very bright and bold blue. It's unlike anything I've ever really seen, and it's very different from all of their other blue colors that they've created in the past. This blue is super bright and just as opaque as all of the others, of course. And next up is Purple Slushy. This is described as a vibrant, true royal purple shade on their website. I'd say I agree with that, and this is a very gorgeous purple. It applied very smoothly, of course. These polishes apply so smoothly and so nicely onto the nail. Now this is a very dark purple, but I still think it's gorgeous and it has just enough color to not be too dark. And next up is Magenta Jelly. This is my personal favorite from the collection. This polish is so gorgeous. This polish is described as a vibrant, deep magenta on their website. This polish is so gorgeous and just a bright, rich, juicy color. With this nail polish, I had to remind myself not to lick the rainbow. So overall, I think this is an amazing collection to buy. It has so many colors that lead you with endless possibilities. There's so many different nail art designs you can do with all of these different polishes. The polish may seem a little pricey compared to some other nail polishes, but trust me, it is worth it. You are getting what you're paying for. The polish formula is very, very nice. It's super smooth, and I never really had any troubles applying it to my nail. I really do love this collection so much, and you'll probably see it in a lot of my upcoming videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you if you're thinking about buying this collection. I hope you guys have a wonderful, amazing, incredible, fantastic day, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next video.